Right, so hello, my name is Annie. I'm going to be presenting the student management system for the assignment 3, where we're supposed to be doing all the 4 required functions, working with Postgres SQL database. So started off by creating the tables, my Studentdb, student database. It has the tables that contain student ID, first name, last name, email, enrollment dates, and these were the ones provided in the assignment specs. And so we will be coding to implement the functions using Java. I'm going to be using Java and to during the interaction and making updates on the database. So I'll be using IntelliJ. This is the code that I was running previously, but I'm going to have to run it again to show you guys what I did. So this is my POM XML, and then this is my database connection class, Java class that basically gets the connection, closes it, and tests it. My student Java, this is mostly for the constructors and the getters and setters. And here's my main that will be implementing the get all students, add student, update student email. This is also using the student ID and deleting the students. So here is how it works when I run it. So it says here is the student management system, and it gives me success when it connects to the database. So you choose option 1 to 5. So for option 1, just like we saw, here are all the students. So if I want to add a new one, I'll have to add their first name. So it could be James, and then Saint, his last name, G Saint at example.com, and the year 2025, 0102. Okay. And then if I view again, you're gonna see student ID 8 because I've been doing other students that I deleted earlier, and I'm on student ID 8. So if I go back to my PG and I execute again, you're gonna see James Saint there. Um, and if I run for the update email, so which student ID I'm going to do for 8, and it was James, let's say Saint at example.com. Messed that up, but if I do this, you're gonna see that it was updated. If I go to PG to my Postgres and execute again, here are the updates. So if I want to delete, it will ask me which student ID, and it's going to ask me if I'm sure. Yes, and it gives me a message that it is done. So if I view all, you see that James is gone, and if I execute again, not there. So I was also able to create the repository use with the codes. Here is the README file, and here's the SQL initial create table, the query that we had to create, and these are the functionalities.